Perfect. So now that we have everything set up, meaning both the final example and the starting point, the final example would not need it much, or maybe not at all. It was mainly to show you what is the objective we want to reach. So we could even close the tab and the other VS Code window, but let's just keep it open just in case. And yeah, we can start with the tutorial. Perfect. So this is the link to the StackBlitz project that we downloaded, that we got this from. All right. So as I mentioned, let's minimize this. This is the project. As I mentioned, this is an empty app. It has absolutely nothing. App component.ts that is empty, an HTML that has only that h1 title that you saw in this browser. Okay, absolutely nothing. So it's it looks like just a generated Angular app, with the only exception that it has some NgRx dependencies. Okay, we'll not need all of them. We're not gonna work with effects or entity or router store in these cases. Okay, nor with NgRx schematics, so mainly the store dev tools, but this is already covered. We needed them to enable that extension from Chrome.